The sky above Indonesia just turned to fire. Mount Lewotobi Laki-Laki has erupted, blasting ash over 10 kilometers high. Flights grounded, entire villages evacuated. Ash clouds now threaten air travel and health. Located on the island of Flores, this volcano hasn't erupted this violently in years. Rising seismic activity and pressure deep underground triggered this explosion. Indonesia sits on the Ring of Fire, home to over 120 active volcanoes which have erupted several times. What do you think? Is it just an eruption, or there's something much bigger ahead of us?